Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well. About what we are going to study today is early people. Page number 77. History is the study of what happened in the past, learning how people lived, how cities grew, and how people move from one place to another help us to understand who we are and the way we live today. Studying great people, important events, and everyday life in the past can help us understand the present and make informed predictions about what might happen in the future. Our Earth we are living today is believed to be 4.5 billion years old. We don't know exactly when human life began. Scientists tell us that it was over 1 million years ago. We have been able to find out about early people by studying the tools, weapons, pots, and many other things that they used. Plus, there are scientific methods of finding settlements underground and for identifying how old these ancient civilization and cultures are. That is called archaeology. Archaeologists are scientists who study things that are very old. Archaeologists have access to scientific method of determining the age of any civilization. The physical differences between races of people, their habits, behaviors, and way of life, that is how we know that early humans lived in caves long before they had learned to make shelter, such as a hut or a house. Archaeologists can tell where and when things were made and how they were used. They use a process called dating to find out the age of very old things. Tree, bones, rocks, and other things can be dated in the laboratory. Anthropology is the study of humankind. Anthropologists study how people live and behave. These scientists have been able to tell us something about early people, but there is still much we don't know. Anthropology can answer some of the questions like where did the earliest human beings come from, how they lived in communities, and how they hunted, what they ate, and what were their behavior and habits, etc. Long, long ago, there were no cities or towns. The earliest humans lived in caves. In many places in the world, there are caves with drying in them. These shows pictures of people hunting. They also show very well drawn animals. Some of these we can recognize, but there are some strange animals. Of course, student, this is about million years ago, so species of some animals is no more. It was an uncertain life, they knew, however, that in order to survive, early humans lived in caves to hide from wild animals and from rough weather. They had to kill and eat wild animals so they eat raw meat means not cooked uncooked meat as we eat proper meat, right? But they eat raw meat. They used animals' skin to cover their bodies and used bones as tools. Then early man discovered fire. It was totally new thing for a caveman. He found a way to make fire by rubbing two sticks or two stones together. Heat from the rubbing words made the wood burn. Sparks from striking stones together made dried leaves burn. So the cavemen started to cook their food on fire. Another use of fire to keep the cave warm. The biggest advantage of fire was that time it helped frighten wild animals away. Early people also learn other things such as growing crops and making basic shelters to protect themselves from weather and wild animals. Gradually they learned more things, made better tools and implements and found clever ways of using them that improved the way they live.